We are going to attempt 3. Right? 3 of us? 3?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Jing wants us to ride on the bike.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, we're gonna ride on the bike 3. 3 of us on a little 150.
She has a helmet. We don't have a helmet.
Yeah, we don't have a helmet.
Very close, like a bar.
Alright, last day in El Nido. I was about to say last day in Bali. Bali's on my mind. So anyway, last day in El Nido. And we're being lazy because of the long tour. Uh oh, somebody got stuck on the on the zip line. Where are they at? Over there, somewhere. There they are, over there. Got stuck on the zip line up there. Yeah, they got a zip line that goes from here all the way to that little island over there. Alright, so anyway, last day here in Jing. Erwin is going to take us kind of around the island a little bit today. We're tired from yesterday. We're just being lazy, enjoying this beautiful view and the nice breeze that's coming here today right off the coast of El Nido. Look at this view, guys, behind me. I cannot get over how beautiful this view is over here. Our good friend Michelle had the pleasure of coming with us. Bandana's by Michelle. Anybody know her? Okay, so she had she was lucky that she was able to come out here, but the only thing is the difference between then and now, it was Filipino style back then. Now it's more Western style with these brand new buildings and rooms that they built here. So now you have more Western accommodations here at the Orange Pearl. Last time they didn't have these little walkway and the steps over for some of these, what did you say? It was a coral rock?
Yeah, the coral rock.
So they're not allowed to mess with this coral rock here. So they built a little sidewalk with some steps. Last time we were here, we had to walk all over that. So. But our place is just right here. Oh yeah, that's what they're doing. Tree trimming. Tree trimming. Filipinos were up there screaming on the top. All these tropical islands out here in Southeast Asia, including Bali, Philippines. You guys need to come out here and enjoy. People are thinking, like I had comments there, like, hey, you got a lot of money. Well, no, you just got to plan it, budget it. Early bird gets the worm. You guys can do it. You really can. You can actually be here too. I have the connections. They give us discounts. Rooms are about 40 bucks a night here, guys. That's it. All right, come on. Let's see what else is going on here in El Nido. Come on. Hello, I came to inquire. I'm staying at the Orange Pearl.
Oh, would you like to stay with us? Oh, we have available room for tonight until the 16th.
Okay, we're there until Friday, but how do you guys got a website or?
Yes, we have a website.
Hold on, let me get the name of your.
Marlagman Beach Club.
And you see all that going up there.
Yeah, that's nice.
Thank you so much.
7 years ago we were here, and this was not here. That's why we went back there, because we didn't know all this other stuff. All these other resorts were here.
Yeah.
So
magkano per night? 20,000 po for the month of December until May.
20,000 a night.
Up.
and hold on, let me. What's the name of your hotel?
For Meg Beach Club.
Mary Meg.
Meg. You can follow us or you can contact
Okay.
us through these numbers.
All right.
Yan, saan talaga yan?
There's that resort right there, which was not here 7 years ago, called the Mary Meg Beach Club, right over here in El Nido, Palawan. It's 4 years old, she just told me. Now we're talking about affordability, and I just told you guys over here I'm just paying 40 bucks a head. Here, add one more zero to that. So you go from 40 bucks a head to 400 per room. Wow. That's pricey. That is pricey, guys. Okay, we're gonna go with Jing somewhere. I'm not sure where, but we're gonna
ride a bike with her.
How many are gonna ride on the bike? 5 of us? Where's the rental bikes? Maybe we can rent a bike. What's that? Oh, there's the road. Look, there's a road that goes to the beach also right here. Look, this is new. That's new right there too. Okay, we're gonna go on the bike. Oh, check this out, guys. Hold on. We are going to attempt 3. Right, 3 of us? 3?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Jing wants us to ride on the bike.
Yeah.
Right, okay, we're gonna ride on the bike 3. 3 of us on a little 150.
She has a helmet. We don't
150cc.
have a helmet.
Yeah, we don't have a helmet.
Very close. Eco Park.
Alright, hold on.
Eco Park lang ha.
So where do I...
Ano ba kayo? No, I think you're not allowed to do that, babe.
On your feet or what?
Yeah, just on the
Put
side.
your feet back a little bit. Like try to push it. Yeah, you know what? Put your feet on mine.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry.
Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so we're in Echo Park over here, and Jing is going to show us one of their other resorts, I guess, right? Accommodations. Okay, let's go check out some of the other resorts over here.
Really?
Echo Park Hotel.
Nice, right?
You should have told us we would have came swimming over here.
Yeah, you can swim. But we're gonna go
It's nice, yeah.
I wanna show you
Echo
the mangrove.
Park.
We have the mangrove tour so ride. Wanna show you also.
Okay. Okay, this is
Alam mo
Echo
what?
Park. Is there any guests here right now?
Yeah, they have also
Any guests? Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. No guests. Not that many guests right now. The same owner of the Orange Pearl right here. Okay. So I think the owners of the Orange Pearl are doing really good because now they got another resort. When did they built this during the pandemic? During pandemic, they built this resort right here. Echo Park is what it's called over here. It's quiet. It's nice. It doesn't have a beachfront view, but it ain't that far from the beach actually. And we were only here for a few days, and we did island hopping, and we weren't really running around, but I need to find out where you can rent some bikes at. That way we could just rent our own bike. We jumped on the back with Jing. right, they're dancing the butterfly. Let's go see them.
Kuya, sayo muna kayo pa. Vlogger siya. Sayo na.
Dancing the butterfly. Inda, you have to dance the butterfly.
Still under construction because they made it since pandemic.
Okay.
This is we are going also to promote this to the guests. This is the mangrove tour.
Under construction, guys. Still under construction. You can see a lot of construction work. Wow, this is a lot of work though. They built this whole walkway. So this little walkway goes on for like 500 meters, and they're gonna have, it's under construction, but they're gonna have a lake and beach access also from here, which is pretty cool. This is amazing. They said there's a lot of crabs in here, mussels that they harvest in this area too as well. So it's pretty cool. So Echo Park actually has access to the beach also. I didn't think it did, but it's under construction still. You guys can see the walkway right here where I'm walking. All right, we're gonna roll somewhere. I think we're just going wherever Jing's taking us, because this is Jing's backyard over here. Oh, Jing wants to show us the inside as well too. So let's go see the inside of Echo Park. Got a small bar over here, some tables. So mind you, all this is new and still under construction, as you can see outside. This was built during the pandemic, they said.
Subscribe now.